Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have short natural nails that are a little dry and on the raggedy side like mine are, then keep watching, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my natural nails, making them look neat, clean and beautiful. Because yes, you don't have to have super long nails or wear extensions to have beautiful hands, okay? A few things that I need are nail polish remover, some cotton buds, my nail polish of choice, which is like nude and simple, and of course some tools, nail files, cuticle remover and all of that good stuff. The first thing I do when I want to take care of my nails is to clean off all old nail polish, all dirt, oils. I do chores with my hands, so my hands have all sorts of gunk on them. Sorry, this is disgusting, but yeah, my hands are not the neatest all the time because I do house chores. So I first of all make sure I clean off all polish, dust, oils, whatever it is I have on my nails. Make sure that my nails are clean. Then I get to soaking. I put some shower gel and some Epsom salt, I believe it's called. I put some of that in a bowl, put in some warm water, and then soak my nails and my hands in for at least 5 minutes. I do this to make sure that all the gunk that's kind of left over from the cleaning gets softened up, so that when I take them off with the tools, it comes up very easily. After I'm done soaking my nails, I then go over my cuticles and the rest of my nails with the plastic end side of my cuticle removing tool. So I'll just make sure that I take off whatever dead skin cells or dust or dirt that might be left over from when I cleaned it earlier, and also take off some of the cuticles that are hanging off. If there are any stubborn bits left off, I will go over my nails again with my iron file just to make sure that I take off all that I need to take off. After I've done this, by this time my hands and nails are a little drier, so I go on to file. I use this plain buffer type nail file on my nails because I feel like it's not too harsh, so I just gently file off any excess sharp edges on my nails. The filing is not perfect, but this is just to keep my nails in the semblance of a shape, so to speak. So short nails are a little bit hard to file, especially if you have nails like mine, so I just do the best I can to make sure that I don't have any sharp hanging rough edges that can catch on clothes or just generally injure me. So I just make sure I file my nails in a way that's natural to my nail shape and just keep it moving. After filing, I go and rinse off my hands with just plain water and then apply some hand cream. I make sure I massage it properly into my cuticles and my entire hands. Now to the polish, I will first of all clean off whatever oils or lotion that I might have from all I've done so far, just to give my nails some clean base so that the polish will go on as smoothly as possible. And then I'll go in with my clear polish as a base coat. I'll just make sure I apply this lightly because I'm going to layer the polish. So I apply this all over my nails, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then go in with the first coat of my nude polish. Applying the first coat, I like to wait for a few seconds for it to set before I apply the second coat. I just believe this helps the polish stick on much better. For my second coat, I'm a little more careful so that I get as even a finish as possible. Obviously, I'm not a manicurist, so this is not perfect, but this works and it kind of carries me through. So I apply the polish, making sure to cover any, bald or transparent spots and make sure that the edges are as clean as possible, even though I will go over my nails and cuticles with some nail polish remover just to clean up the edges some more. But during this step, I try to get it as close to perfect as I possibly can. Once I'm done applying the polish, while it's still kind of wet, I go over the cuticle and edges to clean up any stains and spillover that I have. By this time, the second coat is set, and then I go over it with a top coat, the same clear polish I applied as my base coat. So I'm just going to apply this all over my nails, over my polish, and I'm generous with this second coat because I want to give it that smooth gel-like finish. So I apply this all over my nails and of course wait for it to totally dry. You have to be patient with your nail polish if you want it to last. Once the polish is fully dried, the last thing I do is to apply some shea butter all over my hands, massaging it properly, making sure my cuticles and my entire hands are well moisturized. Shea butter is so good on the hands, you guys. If you're not applying shea butter on your hands, start doing that. It's a great moisturizer, at least for the hands. There are no pores for you to worry about. So it just gives my hands this soft, supple feeling, and I do this making sure to get every aspect of my hands. After I've done this entire process, my hands feel soft and supple and my nails look chic and neat and done. I really love doing my nails, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe in case you haven't. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.